I think the goal for today is going to be get the car, the SUV, cleaned up from yesterday. We put the kayaks up on top after we were out on the lake, and they got muddy because when you go to dock on the shoreline, you have to find a shallow place, and we just kind of got it all muddy, and then that mud dripped down all over the car, and it's been pollen out really bad and stuff. So I think today we're going to clean the SUV. Popeye might try to help. What are you gonna do, Popeye? You gonna help us clean the car? You gonna help us? Yeah, we'll get the car clean. Before we work hard and clean the car, we thought it would be fun to show you the mail that we just got.
It has to be a plane.
I know we got some
or
stuff coming.
It might be some FPV stuff.
I just don't know why it's...
But I can't tell you what kind of FPV stuff it is.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Get it out. We can't see it.
We just got... Why did we order this? Like a few days ago?
Boom.
Yeah.
Boat. The Hobby King Scott Free Offshore Racing Team boat.
We'll have that on the RC channel soon. Everybody always says the one thing everybody always says when we tell them about our new car, black. They say nothing looks better when it's clean, but for some reason when it's dirty, it's the ugliest car out there. Why are you banging, huh? Get you. Get you, Popeye. Get you with the mist. Get you with the mist.
He doesn't even like that. He hates water. And you want to take him on the kayaks.
What do we do this one? What do we do this one?
No.
Okay.
He even hates when it rains. About a month and a half ago, I asked Nathan to get me about 20 bags of dirt and like 3 bags of mulch. He came back with like 5 bags of dirt and about 20 bags of mulch, and this is what's left of it. Men. Now I just need to get the chairs built that I ordered a year and a half ago. Look how awful.
Yeah.
Look what happened to my hair.
We're exhausted. I'm exhausted. Look at mine. That's why I wear a hat when I do this stuff.
Ew, my hair was dry when I put it in a braid.
Yeah.
Gross.
Okay. Yard work is done. Yard's mowed, even though it doesn't look very good. It's all clumpy because it's so tall. But I think that's it for today.
Oh my goodness.
So we're gonna get
I'm beat.
a glass of Kool-Aid and water and get a shower, dinner, and call it a day.
Hard.
It's hard work.
Yeah.
It's muggy out. It's just muggy. You can probably see just looking at my shirt. It's just sticky, muggy.
I had makeup on before I started this. All right, see you guys tomorrow.
See ya.